Hello and welcome to this exciting project. In this project, we're going to do document segmentation and information extraction with camera input. We're going to see how we extract information from documents and then segment the documents with a PDF or image document. We're going to see how we use computer vision and natural language processing to segment documents and extract important information from that document. We're going to see how we can upload a document, segment it, and then extract information from it. We're also going to see how we use our live camera to capture information or scan images, PDFs, and then extract information from it using computer vision and natural language processing. If you see your iPhone has a feature like that where you can annotate on any document to extract data or information from it. That's exactly the feature we are trying to build. Alright, so let me give you a demo of the app over here. I have the app that I've deployed in my local system. Then I also deployed it in the cloud over here. So you can see if you type this URL in your system, you will be able to access this app. Okay, so let me first give you a demonstration of it over here. In this app, you can upload documents from our system, and you can also choose an option from here whether you want to scan the document with an internal camera, which is a live camera, or you can scan it with an internal camera like your phone, or you can upload an image directly from your phone. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate all of them for you to see how it is done. So let's first do it from the system, right? So we're going to upload a document over here. I have a couple of documents, receipts that I've downloaded from Google. Okay, so I downloaded all of them live from Google to process them, which is what you're going to do in real life. You have your receipt that you want to scan and then extract information from it. So that's exactly what we're doing. So I wanted real life receipt to be able to demonstrate this for you to see. So if you come here, if I pick, let's pick a document like this. Okay, if you pick a document like this, now I see what it's doing. Okay, this is the original document. Okay, and this is the segmented document. So you see that it's reading the things that are on the document. If you see where it is color coding, right, it's showing you where it is looking at. It's reading the things on that, and once it reads that, if you come on this one, you see that it's able to see that. Okay, this one, there is an Easter, there's a repair there, and all the number on the receipt. Everything that is on the receipt is able to extract it. Okay, and then once it's able to extract it, it's going to give you everything down here to see what exactly it has extracted. So you see that we have address and the description and everything, the date and all of that. It's able to extract everything. The total is 154 point something dollars. Okay, and then the user can even download this information, whether in text format or in PDF or SL format. Okay, which is great. You can do it for all the documents that you want. You can do it for multiple documents as well. So I'm going to select multiple documents over here, and then it will process all of them for you to see. You see that some are PDF and some are images and stuff like that, but you can see that it's able to do it for all of them. So it's going to do it. You see this one, you see that it's quite complicated with too many designs and colors on it, but it's still able to extract the relevant information from it. Okay, and then if you come all the way here, let's go down here. You see this one too. It's able to look at where the relevant information is and on the document, and it's able to extract every single bit of them for you. If you see the last one too, you can even zoom in and then you will see how it looks like. You can see how it's being able to look at the information on the PDF file and then extract all the information for you respectively. And then once it does that, let me go back over here. Once it does that, it's going to put the information down here where you can download them if you want to download them. This is an email, so you can read your emails from your Gmail account or from whatever email account that you're using, right? And then extract the relevant information from that. Okay, you can do all of that. You can crawl your emails and everything. You can see it's giving everything that it's able to read from that email. Okay, so this is when, if you want to upload a document, so this is when if you want to upload a document, okay, you can upload a document and then extract the information from it. You can also as I said, you can also use your camera, whether internal or external. Okay, you can use your live camera to do that. So let's scan with the internal camera. If you click on this one over here, it's going to ask you to choose a camera over here, and then you can select a device. You can select internal camera over here, which is going to be if you're using Mac, it's going to be your FaceTime or something else, right? If you're using Windows, it's going to be your respective internal camera as well. You can select the external camera if you have an external camera. Okay, let's use the external camera and see. So it's now connected to my phone, right? I have my phone connected to the laptop, so I can select to use my phone camera. Okay, so you see that it's now connected to my phone, and then now I can scan. If I have a document, I can scan that document. So I'm going to scan this document over here. I'm going to do that. We have to scan and then make sure that it's clear, right? So if I click on capture, it's going to show it down here. So I'm going to scan this one. It has to be very clear so that it will be able to capture it. And then let's see, you can see over here, right? Once it's able to capture it, it's going to extract the information for you. So let's zoom in and then see. You see that it's able to read the things that are on it. Okay, so once you're able to capture it like that, then it will be able to read it for you like that. Okay, that's when you're using the internal camera, but you can also connect this thing to your phone directly. I mean, this one I use internal camera and selected my phone camera, but I can also connect it to my phone directly and then use it. Okay, let me do this. I'm going to show you that part as well. Okay, you can click on scan document with the external camera, and then if you click on that one, it's going to generate a QR code for you. Okay, now you can scan this QR code and then use it on your phone. If you scan the QR code, it's going to take you to the one that I've deployed. Okay, the one that I've deployed on the cloud. Then you can upload the images and do the scanning from there. Okay, right in your mobile phone. Okay, so I'm going to scan this one from my phone. So I'm going to do this. Then it's just going to scan it. Then it's going to open. It's going to open this one for me. Okay, see that it's opening the one that I've deployed over here. Okay, it's opening that one. So now here I can scan. If I click on upload right now, I can take a photo, right? I can take a photo or upload from my library or from my files. So if I have the receipt or document in my library, I can select that one. And if I also, if I have it in my files, I can select it. I can also take a photo from here, right? So if I do this one, you see that I can take the photo directly from here, then it will process it for you. Now you see that it's uploading, then you see that it's doing the documents one. You can upload multiple documents over here. You see that it's showing the original, and then it's going to show the segmented. You can see how it's segmenting it over here. Now it's going to show you the details. You can click on this one, and then you see the way it has been able to extract all the information on documents like that. Alright, and then you can see the other one, which is the first one, which is going to show you where it's looking on the document. Okay, so you see how it's annotating everything on the document. If you come over here, you see that we have the information also over here, and you can download it as well. If I add it from here, it's also going to process that one. That is if I have the receipt in my phone. I can also do it that way. You can see that it's also processing it. Documents 1, after that, it's also going to do document 2. Then you will see how it's done. Okay. So now it's processing the document to you. You see the original. This is how it looks like, and then you can see this one, which has been segmented as well. So it's doing really good. You can use it either on your phone or on the laptop. So it's doing really good. You can scan any document and extract information from it with this app. And I'm going to show you the code step by step how I built this one. Okay, how I process the data, the models that I'm using to do that. Okay, I'm going to walk you through so that you get to understand how I did it and the process that I went through. Okay.